Hi guys, happy Sunday. After service today, there was an occasion I needed to attend. Okay, the technical department of Living Faith Church, actually they are having their love feast today. So there's a beach at a lake outside. They call it No Wahala Beach. Have you heard of that before? Look at how the environment is. It's actually called No Wahala Beach. You're going to have a flow with me. I want you to enjoy the flow with me. So look at how the entrance of the beach is. This is how it looks. It looks so beautiful. Oh my God. I've not heard this before. Oh God. Man, so this is me trying to show you how it looks, the outer part of it, before we get into the inside of the environment. No Wahala Beach, I've never heard it before. Oh my God, this is going to be interesting. You're going to enjoy yourself with me today, so stay tuned. Walking into the environment was so exciting. Oh my God, looking at the green pastures, the green trees, the flowers. Oh my God, you need to visit a beach. Yes, you need to look for one around you to visit. It was so awesome, okay? Apart from coming to enjoy the party rice, you know I love party rice so much, oh God, but the atmosphere was a top notch. It was so natural, really natural environment. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh God, looks so amazing. It's been a while I actually visited the beach, but this occasion actually brought me here. They were actually arranging the place for us to sit, to have fun, to begin the occasion. Then from there, we're going in to eat our party rice. Oh God, look at the setting. Oh my God, today was awesome. Seriously, it was awesome. So this is how the setting has been. This is how the setting was. And it was a top notch. Seriously, it was a touch. So we had to walk into the beach, still going around. I actually came early, so we're just moving around to catch up the fun, to feed my eyes. Oh my God, and I had to walk out to see the natural resources, to see the water, to see the ocean. What? This is amazing. Looks so good and exciting to behold. Are you seeing the environment? Are you seeing the atmosphere? Are you seeing the ocean? Oh God, I actually wanted to touch the water, but you know what? I was afraid. This is an ocean. It's very big, quite deep. my lovers. So you can see me, see how I spent my Sunday. My Sunday was so, so amazing. I'm actually having a celebration plus beach. That is why I am here. Woo! Are you Oh my God, it's so interesting.